This drone can land on water. It can take off from water, and if it lands on water upside down, it flips back up before taking off. The HOVERAir Aqua is fully IP67 waterproof, meaning it can be fully exposed to water and still functions normally. It's built to float on water like a balloon and can take off directly from water surfaces like lakes, rivers, oceans, and you can name it. If it lands upside down on water, it's clever and has a self-recovery system that will spin it over before taking off from the water surface. That's awesome. The HOVERAir Aqua has a high-end camera capable of shooting 4K videos of up to 100 frames per second, perfect for slow motions. Professional filmmakers can relate. It also supports HDR and advanced stabilization technology. It can fly for up to 34 mph, which is equivalent to 55 kilometers per hour, and resists wind speed of up to about 33 knots, which is pretty strong. It has a 1.6 AMOLED screen right on the drone for reviewing footages without needing a phone. Plus, it has a 128 GB of built-in storage. Like, you're never gonna need an external SD card. It also has 23 minutes of flight time per battery, and it weighs less than 249 grams. So in the US, you won't need an FAA registration before flying. It is available for sale online. Links in the description.